Is this the cure for baldness we've all been waiting for? A new treatment called PP405 might just change the way we treat hair loss forever. PP405 is a new topical drug developed by Pelage Pharmaceuticals based on research from UCLA. Unlike current treatments like minoxidil or finasteride, PP405 works in a completely different way by reactivating dormant hair follicles. It works by blocking a protein complex called the mitochondrial pyruvate carrier, or MPC. This shifts the metabolism of hair follicle stem cells and pushes them into an active growth phase. In early clinical trials, the results were promising. In phase 1, the drug showed no systemic absorption, meaning it stays where it's applied, the scalp. And in phase 2A, 31% of men had more than 20% improvement in hair density in just 8 weeks. Some even regrew hair in bald areas. PP405 is non-hormonal, so it avoids the side effects of finasteride. It's topical, easy to apply, and works at the root level by restarting hair growth, not just slowing hair loss. Pelage plans to start phase 3 clinical trials in 2026. That means the drug could be ready for approval in the late 2020s, if all goes well. It's still early, but PP405 is one of the most scientifically advanced and promising treatments we've seen in years. If you're struggling with hair loss, this is definitely a name to watch. What do you think? Could PP405 replace traditional hair loss treatments? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and science updates.